Hi there, explorers! Are you ready for an exciting journey? Today we're going on a super fun adventure into the world of shapes. Shapes are everywhere around us and they come in all sorts of sizes and colors. We're going to learn about something really cool called symmetry. Symmetry is when two parts of something are exactly the same, like a mirror image. Symmetry is like a game, a matching game for shapes. Imagine you have a picture and you can fold it in half, and both sides match perfectly. Imagine folding a piece of paper in half. When you fold it, you can see if both sides are the same. If you draw a shape on one side and then unfold the paper, you'll see the same shape on the other side mirrored. That's symmetry. It's like having a twin for your shape. It's like magic, but with shapes. You can create all sorts of symmetrical designs and patterns. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go. We'll explore different shapes and see how symmetry makes them special. Get your paper and pencils ready and let's dive into the magical world of symmetry together. Symmetry means that something is the same on both sides. It's a concept that we can see all around us in our daily lives. It's like looking in a mirror. When you look into a mirror, you see a reflection that matches your appearance exactly, just reversed. When something is symmetrical, you can draw a line right down the middle and both sides will match perfectly. Think about a butterfly. Its wings are a great example of symmetry. Its wings are the same on both sides, they're just flipped. This perfect balance is what makes butterflies so beautiful and fascinating to look at. That's because butterflies have symmetry. This kind of symmetry is called bilateral symmetry, where one side is a mirror image of the other. We see symmetry everywhere, not just in butterflies. Nature is full of symmetrical patterns, from the leaves on a tree to the petals of a flower. Can you think of other things that might be symmetrical? Look around you. Buildings, art, and even some animals have symmetrical designs. Let's find out more about the fascinating world of symmetry together. Many shapes are symmetrical, like squares, circles, and hearts. These shapes are not just found in our drawings or toys, but also in the world around us. Let's pretend we have a big, yummy pizza shaped like a circle. Imagine how delicious it looks with all your favorite toppings. If we cut the pizza right down the middle, both sides will be exactly the same. Each half will have the same amount of toppings and look identical. That line we cut is called the line of symmetry. It's a special line that shows how the shape can be divided into two equal parts. It's like a magic line that divides a shape into two matching halves. Each side mirrors the other perfectly. Some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. This means they can be divided in multiple ways and still have matching halves. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. You can cut it horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, and each time the halves will match. Wow, that's a lot of lines. Imagine all the different ways you can find symmetry in the world around you. From the petals of a flower to the wings of a butterfly, symmetry is everywhere. Section 4. Asymmetrical shapes. Not everything matches. Some shapes are not symmetrical. We call these shapes asymmetrical. Asymmetrical shapes are unique because they don't have a line of symmetry. They might look different when flipped or turned. Imagine a funny-looking cloud in the sky. It can be any shape it wants and still be a cloud. Even though asymmetrical shapes don't match perfectly, they are still super cool and important. Section 5. Symmetry is everywhere. Look around you. Can you find symmetrical objects? Maybe it's a window, a door, or even your own face. That's right, our bodies are symmetrical too. Symmetry is found in nature, art, and even in letters. The letter A is symmetrical, but the letter J is asymmetrical. It's so much fun to find symmetry all around us. It's like a game of hide and seek, but with shapes. Section 6. Your turn to find symmetry. Now it's your turn to be a symmetry detective. Look around your house or outside. What symmetrical and asymmetrical shapes and objects can you find? You can even draw your own symmetrical and asymmetrical shapes. Have fun exploring the amazing world of symmetry. Remember, whether it's symmetrical or asymmetrical, every shape is special and unique, just like you. Keep exploring and have fun with shapes.